Welcome to this tutorial on how to use a Santander buy-to-let mortgage. As a prospective landlord, it is essential to understand the process and requirements for obtaining a buy-to-let mortgage from Santander. First, you need to meet the eligibility criteria set by Santander, which includes being at least 21 years old, having a minimum income of £25,000, and being a UK resident. You also need to have a good credit history and a deposit of at least 20% of the property's value. Next, you need to choose the right type of buy-to-let mortgage that suits your needs. Santander offers a range of mortgage deals, including fixed-rate and tracker mortgages. With different interest rates and repayment terms, you should consider factors such as the loan-to-value ratio, the monthly repayments, and the overall cost of the mortgage. To apply for a Santander buy-to-let mortgage, you need to gather the required documents, including proof of identity, proof of income, and proof of deposit. You can apply online, over the phone, or in a Santander branch. It is recommended that you seek advice from a mortgage broker or financial advisor to help you navigate the application process. Once your application is approved, you will receive a mortgage offer, which outlines the terms and conditions of the loan. You should carefully review the offer and ensure that you understand all the costs involved, including the interest rate, arrangement fees, and valuation fees. As a buy-to-let mortgage borrower, you need to be aware of the tax implications and the regulations that apply to landlords. You should also have a plan in place for managing your rental income and expenses, including finding tenants, maintaining the property, and dealing with any disputes that may arise. In conclusion, using a Santander buy-to-let mortgage requires careful planning and research. By understanding the eligibility criteria, choosing the right mortgage deal, and seeking professional advice, you can navigate the application process with confidence. Remember to carefully review the mortgage offer and be aware of the tax implications and regulations that apply to landlords. With the right mortgage and a solid plan in place, you can successfully invest in a buy-to-let property and achieve your financial goals.